Hi everyone, my name is Grace So and I'm an Angelic Reiki Master and Intuitive Counselor. This week's focus for your healing journey has to do with motivation. Okay? Motivation has to do with merging your thought and emotion with action. That is, if there's a deep desire or motive in your heart to improve your life, now is the time to take action. Now is the time to take that deep desire you have to experience life differently and manifest that into physical reality. Now is the time to step out of fear into action. The more you sit in procrastination mode, the more it's difficult to get up and go. The angels are encouraging us to just take that first step. You know what happens when you take that first step? Well, a lot happens. For example, you literally get unstuck. Your energy starts to flow again. You even become clear about what your next step is. There is a lot going on in the world right now that could easily hijack your emotions and focus, so much so that what starts to manifest are things that you do not want, like fear, worry, anxiety, and stress, which can affect your sleep and even motivation to take the steps you want to take to live purposefully and joyfully. So when we have a subconscious belief in our mind that says, why should we be happy or joyful when others are suffering? It can hold us back from bringing our energy and light into the situations that require light. It's not always a great idea to get caught up with world events that you have no control over. When you consciously and or subconsciously ingest negative thought frequencies and vibrations, which come in the form of negative thought forms, it will affect your frequency and vibration. Okay, so negative thought forms are like poison to one's mind, which can impact your physical and emotional well-being. No one deliberately drinks poison, right? I mean, if someone handed you a vial of poison to drink, would you? Of course not. If you are in your right mind, you would not do so. Okay, so your body, mind, and emotions have an immune system that is built in. But you, as a consciousness living inside that body, can change the direction of how that body experiences life. So if you wish to experience life differently than what is presented in front of you, now is the time to change the direction of where your thoughts and emotions are going. In other words, don't allow what is going on out here to influence what you truly want to experience and create in your life. Don't allow negative influences to demotivate you from the direction you wish to take to improve your life. In essence, the angels are encouraging you to create a higher standard of living where you can be an observer of what is going on. But you get to choose what you to focus on and what to invest in emotionally and physically. You really need all your faculties to successfully create what you want. In other words, take back command over your vibration, over your frequency, which you broadcast. Okay, you broadcast out into the environment. So whenever you feel inspired to make a positive change in your life and it motivates you to take action, it will always have a positive effect, not only in your life, but in the overall atmosphere and environment in which you live. Why? Because feelings of fear, grief, despair vibrate at very low frequencies, while feelings of joy, love, gratitude, and appreciation vibrate at much higher frequencies, which can literally transmute those lower vibrations and frequencies. Okay, so For the next part of this video, I'm going to be sending you some Reiki healing energy with the help of the angels to help raise your vibration and frequency and to motivate you in the direction you wish to go in your life. Okay, so if you're ready, I would like you to close your eyes and take a nice, deep, relaxing breath. Inhale and exhale. Take another deep breath and just relax your whole body. Allow your mind and emotions to come into a state of peace and calm as you listen to this piece of music and receive this healing transmission with the help of nature's angels. Whenever you're ready, come back into the room, take a nice deep breath, inhale and exhale, and send that energy, that breath out through your feet, and bring both hands to your heart and just breathe into your heart, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it out with those whom you feel may benefit from this healing energy. Have a beautiful week filled with angelic blessings, everyone. Take care.